time to install the super wireless phone charger for Model 3 and Y. It actually goes right here, as you guys saw it in the intro, and we're gonna see what it's all about. It'll have a phone sit right here, and I'm gonna use it basically for using like Google Maps for navigation when driving around the city, because this navigation likes to hit us off on the highway at all times, and I live in Rhode Island, and the highway is not needed. It's so congested from I-95 from New York to Boston. It's just swamp usually. So taking the back roads is a good thing. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing in. Let's get it prepped. So opening up, here we are. Boom. We got foam. We've got the actual wireless charger. Sweet. We've got more foam. Throw the bag. We have the base. And you guys will see how it goes. It pops onto here, and this will actually replace that part right here. This will go there, and that thing will stick up. Family content. We're not going to say what it looks like. Family content, but you get the gist. And we got wires, which comes with a little screw, because we got to unscrew something under here to get the kick plate. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. We got to get that thing the hell out. And some screws to connect that. We got spudgy. Is that what these things are called? Trim removal, spudgy. Oh, that doesn't sound good either. Family content still. And then we're going to connect this wire to that one, and then it'll all connect it so it can wirelessly charge. So let's get some shit popped off. Here we go. All right, so first we need to go to steering wheel, and we need to pull it out, not put it in. Family content again. Jay, what is going on here? All right, so we got it all the way down, and we got it pulled out. Mass time 2021. Let's put it up there. We got to pop it out right here. There's two clips. There's one right here. There's another right there. So let's get them popped out. Same thing on the other side. Go from there. All right, now we got the original out. It was a complete and utter pain in the ass. The way to do it is, and it's gonna mark it up a little bit, is go through there. This piece can't be that much for them to replace. If you really want to go back and you want it to be pristine, I mean, whatever, right? Like, it is what it is. Wasn't that bad. But as you can see down here, what we're gonna do is fish a line down here through this, and then come over here. And right here is where that connector is. So we gotta remove this piece, some of this, and right under here is where the connector is. So we'll be good to go. So here we are with it all broken open. And that's where we need to connect this to, which will seamlessly splice into it. This needs to run up here. I'm gonna fish a line through here and get that done. So I have a line I fished through there coming out right here. We're gonna tape it off and pull it on through. And just like that, we're through. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it all up, put it all back together, and we will be good to go. Let's test it out. So there it is, installed, and yep, it is charging, working fine. It's all tidied up. Only thing is a little seam right there, very small, but whatever. Over here, nothing, can't even tell it was there. Got to go and clean out the car now. Looks pretty good without it too. It's not really too intrusive or anything. It doesn't get in the way of the vision. If you do get the yoke steering wheel for the Model 3 or Y, it'll be really handy. It does block a little bit, but that being said, it does start charging and it works perfectly. No codes or anything thrown yet. I'm going to use it, like I said, for Waze or Google Maps or anything that can do avoid highway mode, just rolling around Providence, Rhode Island, or Rhode Island area, because we don't always use 95 and all that. So it'll come in handy for that. Other than that, kind of useless, but looks cool. In any case, I'll link it below. Go ahead, have at it. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.